guys, how you going? Welcome to the Rykers YouTube channel. So we're just out at Saltwater Arm. We're just going to go see if we can get some barra, a couple of dewies, try some little reef holes. We've got Tiani in my boat. We've got Blake in his little boat over there. So he's just trying his boat out for the first time. And yeah, we're just going to hang around here and see if we can get some fish. So we're just going to head out pretty much out this channel at Saltwater Arm and then go put out some crab pots. Kids will follow us now. Boat's going pretty good. So yeah, so we're going to put these crab pots out first and then we'll see if we can bottom bounce and maybe flick some barra and see how we go. So we just seen some fish. There's like heaps of little bait fish just going across the top of the water, so I'm just going to try casting at that and see if we can get some bait fish to use for live bait. So we just got a heap of mullet up in this little covey. I'm going to see if I can cast them. Yep.
Got something.
What we're looking for?
Nice.
Barramundi candy.
Barramundi candy.
Barramundi candy. We got our old little, it's like a bloody bait bucket with a cage thing. That's pretty cool. Nice one. Oh, mud.
Should have kept that thing out, eh?
Yeah. There were some smaller ones there, but these will do. Get these, get some water going. Oh, the mud stinks. Absolutely disgusting. Oh. There you go. Woo! Alright. I think that's it. If we see some more, we can cast some more.
That's good for now.
Yeah, that'll get us a few. That's a big meter barra. That'll
Yeah.
be good. Wishful thinking. So we're just going to work our way along the edges through here. Just casting in the trees. Straight up, first cast into a tree. And then, yeah, we're just going to work our way along here for probably maybe a kilometre or so. And hopefully we get a barra to show you. What do you got?
Cod.
That's right, Shas. Nice little cod. Look at that one.
Bit of fun.
Cool. Bit of fun. Yeah. So we're just looking just in here, just in that tree. Hopefully, nah, next one over.
Which way?
Just pretty much straight through there. Straight through there. There's two fish on that log. Yep.
Oh no!
Too much pressure. We just thought we'd give it another go. Got some live bait. Looks like we got a few in this one.
I think there's some big ones in that one too.
Hopefully they stay in the net.
Wow, look at them all.
Oh, one just shot off. Stay in the net, stay in the net.
Oh, mud.
Oh, with the bucket.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Oh, look how big it is.
Yeah, that's a big mullet.
Looks like we could eat it.
People do eat them, eh?
What'd you end up doing there, babe? Putting it in the kill tank?
Yeah, so we just put it in the kill tank. I think they're all out anyway because the lid, someone didn't lock the lid.
Oh, that would be me. Just put them in there.
Oh, we don't have a net to go.
Yeah, I think I've got a little one in under the floor somewhere.
Oh, wait. Ow.
We'll be able to catch them.
I don't want to, yeah, well, because we've got to drive off. Just trying to do it without bloody filling the boat up with mud.
proves to be nearly impossible though, doesn't it?
Oh, that's a good size.
Keep it back into the net. Yeah, just put that in and wash it. Whoa, we got to escape here. Behind your bum.
Wait. Mullet.
We would never go hungry.
Oh, that's it. All right, cool.
What about these?
Yeah, just throw the bucket in.
Oh, there's one. Oh, he's out.
More barra candy.
Oh, it stinks. I think you got it on my hat.
So gross. Right. So just going to change it up a little bit. I got like a little I don't know, it's like a top surface half lure. We're just going to give them a bit of a go. I actually bought these off a guy, I think it was on Facebook, wasn't it? On Facebook through Coconut Grove. And yeah, they haven't been a bad lure.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, that,
cool?
yeah. I'm not sure.
I don't know what it is either.
See if they're going straight through them. No, not interested. Right, so we just seen a barra sitting under a log. Tiani's going to try and cast it. She'll probably hit the tree and get snagged, but maybe come out the front. No, my turn. So we've just, yeah, like we've seen 4 barra so far. We couldn't get them. We went and tried to find the kids, so we just find the kids, and then we come to a little spot where my other son caught a jewfish. So we're just going to sit here and try that and see if we can catch a jewie.
There we are.
Finally got a goldie. What has it been? 4 hours? 5 hours? Got 1 fish. Good on us.
We got a couple cods.
We got a couple of cods. That's about it.
We've had hits from barra, but no hookup.
So just use a live scope, and we just actually find out near this river we found a school of goldies. So yeah, another little goldie to me. So just pulled in a pretty good goldie. I'm actually using live mullets. I got these big live mullet. Look at it. It's taking a big live mullet. I reckon that'd be about a 50, 52. Not a bad size. Oh, Tiani just got a goldie. Show us. Woo, nice one. That's not bad. That's about 6 goldies in the last 15 minutes. It's been good. How lucky are these kids? Hanging over there in their boat. Mini coat is a little bit short, so one of them have to sit in front of them. Looking pretty good, but it's gone a little bit quiet here, so we might go check some crab pots and see if we've got some crabs. Heavy?
What, crab pot? We have
1 crab?
red crab. I think it might be too small.
Yeah, it's a little bit small.
Looks a little bit too small.
Oh well, try back 2. Oh, let it be full of crabs. It's off season, so probably not.
Nothing.
Nothing. Zilch. 3. In the current.
There's nothing in it.
Nothing. Zilch. 4. Very good workout. Nothing. Nothing again. Number 5. Heavier, or is it just the current? So nothing. Far out. Oh, 1 crab. Number 6. We weren't expecting to get crabs, but you know, at least there's something else we might be able to catch. So I thought we'd try a couple out. See how we go. Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. 1 crab. Sometimes I think it's cheaper we should just go buy crabs, because we're not that great at catching them. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to head home now, give this boat a clean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.